Hello all, my name is Abdul Rahman, and in this video I am going to scrap a website known as Flipkart using Python. So guys, in Flipkart we are going to scrap a product, and then we are in data science, and then we are going to learn about like data cleaning, data collection, and etc. in this project. So first of all, what is web scraping? Web scraping is the process of using bots to extract the content and data from a website. And like screen scraping, which only copies pixels displayed on the screen, and web scraping extracts the underlying HTML code and with it data stored in a database. The scraper then duplicate entire website content somewhere else. So like that only, so that's it, the web scraping. But in this video, we are going to use two Python libraries known as Beautiful Soup and Selenium. So let's talk about Selenium. So first of all, what is Selenium? So first of all, what is Selenium? Selenium is an open source tool and which automates web browsers. It provides a single interface that lets you write the testing scripts like Python, Java, JavaScript, and etc. So we are going to use the Selenium. And what is Beautiful Soup? Beautiful Soup is a Python package for parsing HTML and XML documents. So as usual guys, in data science we are going to use the Jupyter Notebook editor. So for that you have to install the Anaconda Navigator. So I am going to give the environment setting up video in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, I am going to show you which project I am going to do right now. So let's open this here. So guys, as you can see here, I am going to create this project, but I am going to export this data, and here I am going to clean the data from this one, and I am going to do the other lot of stuff. So first of all, I am going to open the Anaconda prompt on my computer. So let's open Anaconda prompt. So it's going to take some time for opening. Till the time I am going to change its path. So I'm going to go into code, data science, and here the data science Flipkart of scrapping. So I have created this already. So I am going to copy this path here from here, and I'm going to paste this one here. Now I'm going to change the directory and then I'm going to paste, and let's enter this one. So guys, before opening the Jupyter Notebook, you have to install the Anaconda prompt, we have to install the Selenium package, and we have to install the BS4, which is Beautiful Soup. So I'm going to talk about how to install that later on. So I'm going to give its command in the description below. Please go there and type that command, then it will be installed. So first of all, I'm going to open the Jupyter Notebook here. Jupyter Notebook. So guys, it has been opened in the browser. So I'm going to open that here, move this one here like this. Now this notebook list is empty right now. So where was I? Okay. So guys, as you can see here, we have to download here the Chrome driver, and here we have to download the Chrome driver first. So let's download this one. So I'm searching for here the link. Okay. So guys, as you can see here, I am going to give its link in the description below. So please go there and copy that link. But please make sure that you know the Google Chrome version, and then you have to download the Chrome driver same version only. So I'm going to show you the what's my version of Chrome. You have to click on this one, and you have to click on help about Google Chrome. So guys, you'll be getting version 1.5. so you will be having a different or same one, but I have this version, so 1.105 I have this version. So I'm going to download the 105 version. Click on this one. So guys, you will be getting this page. So I'm going to close. So you will be having these options. So I'm going to click on this Chrome driver win32.zip because it's for Windows. Other is for Mac and Linux. So I'm going to click on this one. So it's taking some time. So it has been downloaded. Now let's open that where it has downloaded. Let's see. It's downloaded in the downloads. Okay. So guys, as you can see here, I'm going to move this. Copy this one, and I'm going to paste it in the data science which from here. Now let's do this from here. So let's go back again here. So now I'm going to extract this one first. extract all, then same thing. So it has been extracted right now. Now I am going to delete this first of all, this file, and from this folder I am going to move the Chrome driver here. Now let's delete this. So we have the Chrome driver right now. So if I open the here, I am going to reload. So guys, we have the Chrome driver. Now here I am going to create a new file. Let's give it's going to take some time. Okay, so now let's give it as let's give Flipkart Explorer. Now let's rename this file. So I'm going to save this one. So first of all, here from this one, let's close it. And here, as you can see here, we have this stuff. I think we'll be having GitHub link. Let's see here. So guys, as you can see here, this is a lot of code. So we can convert this into a CSV file. So guys, in this video, we are going to just write this code, and then we are going to create the web scraping. But in the other videos, we are going to do the data cleaning and etc. So we have the import selenium and we have this stuff. So first of all, I am going to type all of this stuff till the time I am going to post the video, and I will give my GitHub link in the description below, so you can copy the code from. So guys, as you can see here on the screen, I have returned all of this code here. So I have imported this from Selenium. So right now, just I have to run this one. Now I have run this one, so it's showing me star, which means now it's showing 1, which means it has run now. Now let's run this one. So driver.webdriver, I have given this Chrome driver. So you should have Chrome driver installed on your computer, and then you have to give its path that where you have saved the driver. So as you can see here, I have given its path, so it's going to take from there. Now let's run this program. So guys, as you can see here, a new Chrome window has been opened, and it's showing me Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. So I'm going to minimize it, so nothing has opened in that page. So guys, before doing that, let's click OK. Now I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to show you that which phone I am going to scrap here. So guys, as you can see here, I am going to scrap this page. So you can see, so I am going to scrap this page first. So now I have created a variable on a Samsung phone, and I have to run this one. So it's going to create a variable. Now let's run this program. As you can see here, nothing has happened here. Okay. Now let's run this one. So before doing this driver.quit, I'm going to make this comment, because it's going to open a page. It's going to create this page, and it's going to open this type of page in the Google Chrome, but it's going to end because we have given driver.quit. So that's why I have given here I have commented this line. So let's save this and run this program. It's showing the star, which means it's still running. So let's see. So guys, as you can see here, from the time we're not able to open this page, but after running this block of code, like driver.get Samsung phone, so we have opened this page. You can see Samsung Galaxy. This page has been opened. So this is also same, and this is also same. So guys, first of all, I want to say here, like if I open this page, so you have to know like how we will do scrapping. Now I am going to right click here, and I am going to open this view page source. So what they will do is they will copy this. So I know this is a class from here, from this whole page, but what they will do is they will create a class that we don't know. But what we can do is we can right click here, and then we can click on the view source, page source, and from there we can find the class. We have to search all over these pages, so which is 86 lines, something like this. Now I am going to control F, which means I am going to find here. Let's paste in this. So I know this class, this is a class word, so that's why I am able to find this one. And as you can see here, these two classes, so we can click on the read more, so it's around there. So that's why here we have been using this one, like 1bwgwx. Now now we have given content.driver.page source, so it's going to open this page with this program. So if I run this, save this and run this again, this page is going to close. So this page has been closed, that window, because I have opened this driver.quit. Now what I want to do is I want to insert a cell below this one, below, and I want to paste this one, save this. Now let's run it. If I run from here, no, from here, this one, it's going to run. So it's showing me the star button, which means it's open. So guys, as you can see here, when I ran this program, it has been opened this page. But if I run this one, driver.quit, I'm going to open, so it's going to close right now. So guys, as you can see here on the screen, here you can see the def web scraper, these all of these things. If I open this website, as you can see here, what he's saying is we can find the, so here basically we are going to actually scrap that website. So you can see here, from there we can, okay, so from there we can find the, here we need to scrap here. Here we will find the class objects for the author command, or the author of the comment, and same class object can be used for scrapping time of the comment and upvote likes. So you can see this is the code for actual scrapping there. So here we can actually scrap. Now if I have not run this, now let's run this also. So guys, as you can see here, nothing has happened. Now a data frame has been created right now. So if I show you that, I'm going to show that data frame here. So guys, as you can see here, this is a actual data frame where we can see the title of the product, we can see the title of the author, we can see the author names, and we can see the time, upvotes, and who has reviewed them, review titles, and we can see the reviews. So if I run this program like webscraper.show common titles, now let's open here and let's type like web scraper, and then I'm going to show command TILS. I didn't remember that. It's going to open again. So let's go here and let's see titles. Now let's run this program. So guys, as you can see here, we can see here the titles like web scraper. If I run this one, I can see here the whole data frame very easily. Now I can create a CSV file using this one. So if you want to know how we can do that, so for doing that one, I am going to paste here. So I have copied its stuff. So you have to give here the web scraper dot comma subtitles, same thing here also, and then you have to give here the to_csv. So it's going to create a CSV file, and then you have to give r, and then you have to give a path where you want to create this one. So where you want to create this CSV file. So CSV means comma separated values. So I'm going to run this program. It has been created, I think. So guys, as you can see here, we are getting Samsung phone. So I have given its name as Samsung phone. So it's going to open, so we can see the same thing. So guys, as you can see here, we can see the title, the author, the time, the upvotes, the reviews, review title, and everything is same, which means, so here, which means that we can scrap the things using Selenium and Beautiful Soap in Python. So anyway guys, that's all for this video. So if you have any questions, please give it in the comments below, and please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and in the next video we are going to talk about the data collection and data cleaning and etc. And I will see you in the next video.